Good afternoon, guys. This is your boy again, um, with another video. Um, right now, I'm just showing you guys pretty much my, if you want to say, workstation, my toolbox, my big one, and my roll cart. But let's get into it. I'm a little ashamed because I'm not a needy person when it comes to this, but here we go. Of course, this is my top half of it. We're going to go down to the first door. Hold on, this isn't even right. Let me do this. Number one. Bear with me. See if I click this in. There we go. Much better. Alright, so let's do this again. My top drawer. Oh yeah. Um, I actually got this right here from Matco. I think I paid like $170 for it. See if I can switch this to camcorder mode. There we go. Alright, here's my second drawer. I got my wrenches, hammers. It's just miscellaneous stuff in here. Of course, little nuts, screws, bolts, what have you. Push button start. Of course, this is for Honda. My third drawer. Of course, this is my, I don't know why, but this is my one of my prized possessions. It's really come in handy if you're working on Hondas trying to remove the oil filter, or you need to get into like tight spaces. This will definitely work. Of course, I got my Haynes book for my CRV, which is a 99. Yep. Tester. If you know, you know. See what's in here. If I can get it open. Yep. Oh yeah, my injector. I got to replace it on my CRV. Of course, I'm gonna get to it sooner or later. Now this drawer right here is actually for my electrical impacts, which is right here. Milwaukee had to get that. Got me a Matco 3/8 half-inch DeWalt tire pressure gauge. But yeah, when I close up shop for today, all of this will go in here, and the batteries will go on top. Of course, I had to pre-workout just to get through the day. Sometimes I drink black coffee, but depending on how I feel. Gotta have your BC powder. There be days where I'm like having a real bad headache and I gotta, you know, take one of these. Gotta have your deodorant. It gets hot here in Oklahoma. On sidebar, I'm not from Oklahoma. I'm actually from North Carolina. I'm just out here for an extended visit. Lotion, disinfectant spray, disinfectant spray. This is going on my CRV. And of course this bottom drawer, just miscellaneous stuff in here. It ain't nothing but extra sockets in here and other miscellaneous stuff. And onto my roll cart. Now in here is like my everyday, what I use every day. Um, Some of these sockets are highly unnecessary, especially with Hondas. You're pretty much going to be working with 19, 21, 8, 10, 12, and 14s. But yeah, I got all of my flight head and uh, screws. This right here is a must, along with on the video right quick. That guy's my shop foreman. Love him to death. I love you too. Ate it all. I know. Love you too, Mitch. But yeah, when I got this out here, this too. Oh, dang. Sorry about that, guys. He can be a real ball buster. But yeah, this is a must also. Got my TPMS check right there. Flashlight. Tread depth gauge. Tread depth gauge. Oh yeah. This is definitely a must right here. Pocket screws. Brake check. Brake caliper checks. Box cutter. My pry bar, crowbar, whatever you want to call it. Tire crayons, tire chops, whatever. Yep. Now over here, of course, this is like my everyday uh, wrenches or box, whatever you want to call it. This is pretty much right here is all. The only thing it's good for is alignments. When I do my alignments, this is what it's good for. Also, these two, definitely a must. Uh, this one, yeah. I can better organize this, but whatever. And this. But trust me, I use all of this every day. And of course, this is where I keep my electrical impacts, wheel locks. These have been collected over the years, even before I've gotten here. So I just took them as my own. Of course, I have that. And at the bottom, got my funnel for coolant. What else I got down here? This right here is I mainly use this for like when I'm doing a differential refill. Got my bungee cord, like lithium, my short shots. Yeah. And this right here is to give me a little bit more leverage, length, what have you. I keep spare spark plugs just to plug in holes, you know. More bungee cord, ropes, my hooks, of course my little workstation of my computer, my Honda code reader. But yeah, other than that, this is my little setup. Got my oil fill thingamajigger, washer fluid. And here's my little workbench. But yeah, this is my little corner. I would turn around and show you my base, but there's other people behind me and I don't want to put them in there like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you give me a like, comment, subscribe, I'll highly appreciate it. Thank you.